Yeah, see?
So we finally at the river. Yeah, man. Beautiful river. Come, cago bere. have to hold him and run. First, we made him vex. And we don't want him run go back. Don't do that. Come. No man, you can't do it yourself. Come. 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 Yeah peeps, blessings. Alright, so I got a river, I got a beard face, as you say. So right now I head up to Jay and yeah, I have some GoPro footage plus the vlog footage. You're gonna love this. Follow me. Must get let's see one color. Must get let's see one color footage.
Yes. Yeah. I really like it.
I just get this off a J farm proper.
Rhyme something, man.
You know, we have routines, but we have to have some Sunday ways. And at the end of the day, it's a reality show, though.
Most naturally. We were up on a boat giving thanks, man.
Just giving thanks for our next day for real.
Tree. Days that's split. A buckle, a glass, it's something.
Now this, I'm saying it's a sugar pine. I love pine. I don't really know them different, but yeah.
Sugar pine. Nice and pretty.
Can't see nothing for us, so you want to see that for us?
Yeah, man.
You want to see nothing for us up on the screen.
DYLAN vibes, bro. DYLAN vibes. Yeah, man. Business space, you know? Proper. Make a call, you know? Phone up. Bumbo. Yeah. Don't want to chip it. You know, we have brace here, see that? You know, you're mysterious. Why do you don't have brace on the phone?
My phone went out the other day.
Yeah.
Babes, I call a subscriber, I call Bunny. Alright, Bunny requests him, I call him when I do a video.
On Snapchat. Maybe they have it up my script, see, you know. We're keeping it real.
I'm now getting peeps. Alright, so I'm do another surprise shout out to a subscriber.
Nothing like country life, you know?
I got on the careful by now.
Yeah. Serious. So that's one. Say whatever
I showed somebody from Uganda. Peeps, I'm going to try to get our next subscriber. It's a DJ StarBwoy from Uganda. Alright, let me see if we get it.
I know you said that, brother. Big man, big up himself.
StarBwoy!
Yeah,
Wagwan! I'm there up on a vlog and I give you a shout out some more of your life for my camera. StarBwoy. Yeah man. Shout out to you. Yes man, for real. So everything proper?
You bought a camera?
Yeah, me get a camera.
Oh, I'm very happy for you. Even I had to buy a camera this week.
Yeah, you need a camera, bro. How the channel I go?
So you are trying to set it?
Yeah, me I try to get the channel up. How your one I go? How your channel I work?
Yeah, it works. 24 hours.
Okay, me I talk your YouTube channel.
Yeah?
Your YouTube channel. How your YouTube channel work?
It is on. I was just up and down, so may I said some things.
Okay. Yeah man, me just give you a shout out, you know. DJ StarBwoy, Magic 101 FM, Magic 100 FM out of Uganda. You can look on the camera and say, "I one, is it camera live for real?" Yeah man.
So you know, okay. We're gonna check and see download, yeah?
Okay. So DJ StarBwoy, Magic 100 FM is the #1 radio station and television network out of Uganda. This is DJ StarBwoy. Where do I the radio station again, DJ?
Another station, UBC TV.
UBC TV. What you do personally? Cause it look like you're hard at work now, you know.
Me do the work myself.
Oh, you work for yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell them about the live streaming. Tell them about the live streaming site.
Yeah. You see, let me show it to you and get it here. I'm doing me do strictly dancehall and reggae.
Missy say your English I get better one.
Bless up, bless up.
Yeah?
Your English getting better.
English is getting better?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, man. Because you understand me more.
So you see, English is not our official language, but we can speak it.
True.
Can speak it. Let me show you the show.
Okay, hold the camera a little better. So that's the show, the Jamaican show out of Uganda, guys. DJ Dan StarBwoy.
You know Triton?
Triton, that's the label?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about them.
Triton.
I heard about them.
He's my friend, and he's the one doing for me those adaptations and jingles.
Okay. So peeps, if you're interested in StarBwoy show, you can contact me if you have jingles and you want to get it out there. Because you know StarBwoy accept jingles. So, I'll see if I can get some more jingles for you. Alright?
You see now I'm designing a flyer. I have an interview with this artist from UK.
Oh, it's an artist from the UK.
Yeah, another one, I had another one. You see another one is here from Jamaica. You know this artist? Sure, just finished the flyer. Just finished the flyer right now. Custom. You know this one?
Talrich? No, I've never heard of him before, but yeah man, people, if you don't know Talrich, type it in the comment section below. Alright? That's Talrich out of Jamaica. So the show I gonna be in Uganda, right? Okay.
Yeah, this one is for radio and for TV is a UBC TV.
Okay. So StarBwoy, it was lovely talking to you. You know me, I go back to the show. Peeps, that StarBwoy, DJ Dan StarBwoy out of Uganda. #1 DJ on the Magic 100 FM and the UBC TV. That's the Broadcasting Corporation out of Uganda. So guys, yo, StarBwoy, what channel name again?
My channel is DJ Dan StarBwoy or Skanking Rays. They show me though.
Okay, his channel is DJ Dan StarBwoy. That on YouTube, right?
Yeah, on YouTube and Skanking Rays on UBC TV.
And he does Skanking Razor and UBC TV. So you can go over there so, and check out DJ Dan StarBwoy. Alright, DJ Dan StarBwoy is a long time friend of mine.
On DSTV it is channel 282. That's on DSTV.
Alright, DJ, you go send me the link and I can share it under the comments here. Send me that as soon as we get off of the call, alright?
Okay.
Alright, bro. Big up. And nice talking to you, is it?
One love, one heart.
I'm very happy to hear that you bought a camera, so things are gonna be nice, eh?
Okay, give thanks for that, man. Is it? So one love, bro. One love, one heart, blessings.
I.
Bless.
Alright.
So peeps, that was DJ Dan StarBwoy out of Uganda, a long-time friend and a subscriber of Elite Jamaica. Alright, so you guys can go over and check out his channel. That's DJ Dan StarBwoy and on YouTube. And Skanking Razor, that's the program he does on the UBC Broadcasting Television. That's out of Uganda. Alright peeps, so yeah, back to the show. Where's my car? Car been using?
Yeah. I know it tires. I give my short, you know. see I work on it. You want to go every bro. Lessons, man. Real liking it,
Yeah, peeps, I'm not sure you're doing a video. So, if anybody want to shout out or not like that, you can call me. Have to be video call so that y'all can be included in this video. Alright?
yeah. Nothing like it, you don't do it like this. No worries, see that? Nice. I'm gonna make you love you like this.
Yeah guys, so I just get the link for DJ Dan StarBwoy channel. So y'all can look for that under the description of the video. Alright? Yeah, I can have a camera. Camera. Yeah, man, we have to have some Sunday ways.
And give back to the Most High. You have to give thanks to life, you see me? Even though you give thanks every day, you have to give thanks on any other day. So you take the time out and rest, put on your shovel and put on your picker, you see me? And get there.
Get there.
Right there, brother. You know, we put on your knees. So no matter what they say, you never up on your knee for no man. Talk to him, you know. But you say, for my God, never go up on my knee. Never take the time out to pray. For I myself, and for you, and you, and you, yes, you. Stay strong. Walk with the Most High. Sunday vibration. East to that. Leave Jamaica. It's a blessing to be alive, man. Judge your blessings.
Yeah guys, so my camera just did a while ago. So thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure having you all here. And join me again next Sunday for another video like this. Alright? Thank you all. Remember you can subscribe to DJ Dan StarBwoy channel, links in the description below. You can subscribe to Jay's channel, link in the description below. You can purchase your Elite Jamaica merch, links in the description below. Alright, if you want to donate to our Ready Cause, link in the description below. You can donate by way of PayPal or you can contact me for other means of donating. Alright, thank you again for joining me guys. It's been a pleasure. Y'all stay blessed. Have a wonderful Sunday.